Step 1 is CC Bank. For CC Bank, the annual interest rate is 4.2%, so R equals 0.042, M equals 4. Step 1, S equals 21,000 bracket 1 plus 0.042 per 4 power of 4 bracket step 2, S equals 21,000 bracket 1.0105 power of 28. Step 3, S equals 21,000 bracket 1.3397282 bracket. Step 4, S equals 2813.4.30, 2813.4.30.21,000 equal to 7134.30. Option 2, DD Bank. For DD Bank, the annual interest rate is 4.35%, so R equals 0.0435, M equals 3. Step 1, S equals 21,000 bracket 1 plus 0.0435 per 3 power of 3 bracket 7. Step 2, S equals 21,000 bracket 1.0.045 power of 21. Step 3, S equal to 21,000 bracket 1.352985.302. Step 4, multiply the value S equal to A 412.69. To calculate the value, earned 28,412.69 minus 21,000 equal to 7,412.69. The calculation after comparing both options, DD Bank gives a higher future value and higher interest earned compared to CC Bank.
First, I write down all the information given in the question. The annual interest rate is 5.2% and the interest is compounded money, which means the interest is calculated 12 times in 1 year. The final amount after 5 years is 17,901 ringgit and 16 cents. Based on the timeline, the original deposit represented by X was made 4 years ago. Today, an additional 1,750 ringgit is added into the account. After that, the money continues earning interest for another 5 years until it reaches 17,901 ringgit and 16 cents. For the first step, I calculate how much money must be in the account today before the next 5 years of interest. I use the compound interest formula, S equal to P1 plus I power of n. In this formula, the future value is 17,901 ringgit and 16 cents. The monthly interest rate is obtained by dividing 5.2% by 12. The number of compounding periods is 60 because there are 12 months in 1 year and the money grows for 5 years. After substituting all the values into the formula SOV, I get approximately 13,812 ringgit. This means the account must contain about 13,812 ringgit today so that it can grow into 17,901 ringgit and 16 cents after 5 years. Next, I subtract the additional deposit added today, which is 1,750 ringgit. After subtracting, the remaining amount is 12,063 ringgit. This means 12,063 ringgit came from the original deposit made 4 years ago. Now, I calculate the value of the original deposit, X. Again, I use the compound interest formula, S equal to P1 plus I power of n. This time, the future value is 12,063 ringgit. The monthly interest rate is still 5.2% divided by 12. The number of compounding periods is 48 because the money was invested for 4 years and there are 12 months in each year. After substituting the values into the formula SOP, I get approximately 9,800 ringgit. Therefore, the original deposit made 4 years ago was approximately 9,800 ringgit. Lastly, I calculate the total interest earned. The total amount deposited into the account is the original deposit plus the additional amount added today. So, 9,800 ringgit plus 1,750 ringgit give a total principal of 11,550 ringgit. Then, I subtract the total principal from the final amount. The final amount is 17,901 ringgit and 16 cents, while the total principal is 11,550 ringgit. After subtracting, the total interest earned is 6,351 ringgit and 60 cents.
Solution for question 3. An annuity is a series of equal payments made or received at regular intervals over a period of time. The payments may be made monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Annuities are commonly used in savings, loan, insurance, and investments. B. One real-life example is a person saving 300 every month in a bank account for retirement. The money earns interest over time, and the total amount accumulated after several years is called the future value of an annuity. Its importance is that it helps people estimate how much money they will have in the future if they save consistently. This allows better financial planning for goals such as retirement, education, or buying a house. C. One real-life example is a housing loan where a borrower pays fixed monthly installments to the bank. The bank calculates the present value of the annuity to determine the loan amount based on future payments. Its importance is that it helps individuals and financial institutions to determine the current value of future payments, making it easier to plan loans, investments, and long-term financial commitments.
The fourth question requires us to determine the monthly payment, total interest
interest charge, the amount owed after missing payments, and the outstanding balance after 23 years. First, the price of the house is 470,000 ringgit. Amir makes a 15% down payment, so the down payment is 0.15 times 470,000 equals to 70,500 ringgit. Next, we calculate the amount financed by the bank. 470,000 minus 70,500 is 399,500 ringgit. To determine the monthly payment, we use the formula A equals to R open big bracket 1 minus open small bracket 1 plus I close small bracket to the power of negative n over I close big bracket, where A is 399,500, I is 0.0392 over 12, and n is 25 times 12. After substituting all the values into the formula, the monthly payment is 2,091 ringgit and 10 cents. Next, to find the total interest charge, we use I equals to R times n minus 8. Hence, the total interest charge is 227,830 ringgit. Part B, Amir misses the first 3 monthly payments. To determine the amount he must pay on the fourth payment to settle all outstanding areas, we use the formula S equals to R open big bracket open small bracket 1 plus I close small bracket to the power of n minus 1 over I close big bracket. After substituting the value, the amount payable on the fourth payment is 8,405 ringgit and 47 cents. And lastly, after paying the loan for 23 years, Amir wants to settle the remaining balance in full. Since the loan duration is 25 years, there are 2 years remaining, which means 24 monthly payments remain. We use the present value of annuity formula again, which A equals to R open big bracket 1 minus open small bracket 1 plus I close small bracket to the power of negative n over I close big bracket. After calculation, the outstanding balance that Amir needs to pay to fully settle the loan after 23 years is 48,193 ringgit and 8 cents.